How to enable or disable Now Brief in Now Bar on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. After that, tap on the Settings icon. Then scroll down. From here, tap on Lock Screen and ALD. Then tap on Now Bar. Now go down and tap on Now Brief. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on Now Brief in Now Bar. Here, instead of with Now Brief, get a personalized briefing with suggested content and actions that change throughout the day. And that's it. After you can tap on the back here or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.